In this presentation, we are going to study how to make plurals. We normally form plural nouns by adding s to the singular noun. For example, book, books, car, cars, student, students. We add es if the singular nouns end in s, sh, ch, or x. For example, bus, buses, dish, dishes, church, churches, box, boxes. Some nouns ending in o add es to form the plural. For example, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, hero, heroes. Other nouns ending in o add s only. For example, piano, pianos, radio, radios. Nouns ending in consonant plus y change the y into I and add ies. For example, city, cities, baby, babies, family, families, country, countries. In the case of irregular plurals, most nouns ending in f or fe take away the f or fe and add ves. For example, half, halves, finish, finished, thief, thieves, wife, wives, life, lives, knife, knives. Some nouns do not add s or es in the plural. In this case, we have irregular nouns like man. The plural is men. Woman, women. Child, which is singular. Plural, children. Person, people. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Sheep, sheep. And fish, fish. These are irregular nouns.